Make a great choice today with
the 2023 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.